I'm free, and I hope you're free too. I got rid of the thank God I'm Friday thing a long time ago. One day I was like, what am I doing, man? I'm wishing for Friday to be here, and then I'm wishing for the weekends to stay longer. I'm hating on Mondays. Hump day, Wednesday is hump day. I had destroyed, are you all right? I had destroyed my whole week. I didn't want Monday. I hated Wednesdays. Friday I was thankful for. It was the only day anybody was thankful for. And one day I shifted my mind. I'm like, I'm wasting my whole week, man. What am I doing? And the reason I was wasting my week was I was in the pursuit of happiness. Somebody had told me it was important for me to be happy, and I wasn't happy. In fact, most of the people that talk to me about happiness, I think are not happy. I did an interview with a young lady in my car one day, and she told me she was a happiness coach. 5 minutes later, she was freaking crying. By the end of the day, she called her agent and said, I'm done being a happiness coach. Grant Cardone destroyed my concept of this today. Most of you don't even know where happiness came from or why you want to be happy. Somebody just said you should be happy. You deserve to be happy. Folks, it's garbage. Happiness is a scam. It is a scam.
Cardone Zone is also available for download on iTunes and Stitcher. See the link in the description below.